Hey, future medics, we're going to finish up connective tissues today. And we need to talk about connective tissues that are about transportation and production. And this is what keeps oxygen moving around your body and keeps your immune system running. And it is your fluid and hemopoietic connective tissues. Now, these aren't responsible for structure. They are actually responsible for movement, supply, and defense. Blood is considered a connective tissue, and that's because its matrix, which is plasma, is a liquid. And this matrix allows it to deliver oxygen, deliver nutrients, remove waste, move hormones, all kinds of things. And blood is important for perfusion and oxygenation. Now, hemopoietic tissue is the factory. It's the manufacturing plant. It makes blood cells. So it shares the matrix of plasma and it produces what blood is then transporting. It makes red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, which means that it is responsible for oxygenation, immune response, and clotting. Super important tissue. Now, this is going to be found in your bone marrow, in your tonsils, and in your spleen. Fluid and hemopoietic connective tissue are going to show up in EMS in clotting disorders, anemia, hemorrhage, things like this. So, without the production, we have a problem. And without the delivery method, we have a large problem. And when neither of them are working, nothing else is going to work either. So this is a really interesting take on and a finish to our loose connective tissue. And now you have seen how so many different kinds of tissue fall under the category of loose connective tissue and how one family has so many different jobs depending on what its makeup is, what its ground substance looks like, and what its matrix looks like. You're doing great. Hopefully that made it all make sense so that you can identify them easier. Next, we're going to move on to muscles. I'll see you there.